Hello everyone! Today, again from my office at my wonderful job, I'm bringing you a one-to-one clone of the famous wormhole slider by Ammo. I don't have the original, so sadly I can't compare the two of them for you. But this clone cost me only $26, and from my personal research, looks identical to the original Fidget, but again unbranded, and also, as you can see, comes in the simple pouch with no frills and no thrills, just the slider itself, which again looks identical. I will try to zoom in. Looks identical. Again, there is branding here that is missing from this clone, but other than that, seems the same to me. But again, the function might be not on the same level. So let's see. I will open it and we will see for ourselves. So this is it. The hard part is done. Now, this is how it looks from all sides. I have a wonderful weight to it and feels good in the hand. The smooth area is actually very nice to glide your finger on. Excuse me. So let's try it with you for the very first time. I was holding it upside down. Damn. This is the back of it. This is the front. Feels. Damn, that's nice. Sorry, there was something on it. Man, that's so nice. It is loud, I would say that. It is loud. But the texture here is excellent. An excellent point to grip it. Also the sides, they really, the Ammo, the original creators, really thought it through, and it shows. Maybe there's even a way to customize it to my liking, but as I said, it comes really bare-boned, just the pouch, and I can understand it. To sell something like this, again, hefty stainless steel, feels extremely high quality in the hand. If I didn't know it wasn't the original, maybe I wouldn't tell. But again, can tell you, don't have it. Let's do some zoom in for you so you can appreciate it. I have new lighting at my office at work because my old lighting died, sadly. So very easy to do it one by one. I have to say, I'm impressed. $26, man. Now the original cost, the lowest I saw it is like $75. Excuse me. So it's like a third of the price. So some will say it doesn't worth it, but as a non-dropper, sadly, it kills a part of me when I drop an expensive fidget on the ground, on the floor in my house, pavement, or the sidewalk outside. Yeah, it's hard when you get a little chip in it, and it feels less whole. But battle scars, man, battle scars. Extremely satisfied. Absolutely recommend it. if you're interested in this kind of really loud, and the haptics in the hand feels awesome, like really. Feels like it will last for a long time. So I know it was a short one, but again, there's nothing much to talk about. Excellent slider, excellent clone. Again, can't compare it, but feels very high quality. Excuse me. So, thanks you for watching. As you know, I truly appreciate each one of you that you're on this trip with me, and thank you. So, I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.